Today I'm going to take you on a quick tour of our new RV, the 2024 Forest River Ibex 20MDS, which I think is the perfect couples travel trailer. Come on inside. We enter into the rear of the trailer where there's the living room and the bedroom all in one. There's a couch with a Murphy bed over it. It's a queen size bed, that's where we sleep. And on either side of the bed, there are closets with lots of space for hanging clothes. Then if we turn around, you can see what it looks like with the slide in, and we'll open that up for you. In the middle of the RV, we have the dinette booth on one side, as well as a TV, which sits directly across from the couch, so that's a great location. In the kitchen, we've got a 12-volt refrigerator, a 3-burner stove, a convection oven/microwave, and a good-sized round sink. And one of the features we really loved were those bar stools and the tall counter. Then in the rear of the RV is the bathroom, which is a great size considering how small this trailer is overall. So you've got the shower on one side, and then on the other side, we've got a large closet with shelves on one side and hanging clothes on the other.